In this video, we are going to focus on how to evaluate limits from graphs. Okay, so we have got a graph of y equals f of x right over here, and we got a smooth curve, but this function is not continuous at some point, and now we have to evaluate these limits right over here by just analyzing the graph. Okay, so we've got our first problem right over here. We have to evaluate what the limit as x approaches 5 of f of x approaching. So what is the value it's approaching as x is approaching 5 right here? All right, so let's see. As we approach 5 right over here from the left-hand side, we've got our x value as 5 right over here. So as it seems to does not exist, it seems to be, the function seems to be undefined at this point at x equals 5, but the limit does exist. And limit seems to be equal to 3 right over here. Okay, so as we approach 5 from right hand side, or if we approach 5 from the left hand side, the limit seems to approach the value 3 right over here. So this limit will evaluate as 3. All right, our second question is, what's the limit of f of x as x is approaching 2? So we have got our x 2 right over here at this point right here, and it's just an approximation. So this value seems to approach 5. All right, and the function is also defined at this point. So we say that f of 2 is just equal to 5. And the limit also seems to approach 5 from both sides, from left-hand side and from the right-hand side too. So we say that the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x is just equal to 5. Now, our third question is, what's the limit of f of x as x approaches 8? So we've got our x equals 8 right over here, and we see that this point is right at this point, okay? And the function is also continuous at this point. And after putting a scale right over here, we see that this limit is approximately equal to 6. So we say that the limit is just equal to 6. And we also have f of 8 equals to 6. So we say that limit as f of x approaches 8 is just 6.